Bullish request cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 39 cents and 74 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept REQ could reach 30 cents by 2025. Bearish request market cost expectation for 2023 is 7 cents. Request presentation. The universe of cryptographic money is turning out to be progressively nuanced, with improvements happening across many chains, monetary forms, and stages. Different issues frustrate the objective of decentralization, for example, information traffic, confounded cycles, and security issues. Among said issues comes the instance of smoothed-out installments. Request was laid out as a stage to make the installments framework less confounded. In this all-encompassing aid, we cover the advantages of putting resources into the REQ token, the stages specialized in major central issues, and give our request cost forecasts. We will be taking a gander at the base cost esteem, normal cost, specialized investigation, most extreme cost, normal estimate cost, normal exchanging cost, and greatest worth. What is request? The significant expenses of working on cryptographic money stages generally emerge in the installments component. Outsiders which relieve money trades into different worldwide monetary standards charge a powerful expense for transformation. Nonetheless, request changes the game by dispensing with the requirement for outsider transformation frameworks and wallets. Through request, the clients send data, for example, the installment owed and the client to which the request is to be sent. The installments can be made and sent through basic requests, or invoiced through different means. As the local badge of request, the REQ token is utilized to drive all organization requests. The request stage's attractiveness is what we consider while making our potential request cost expectation. The most common way of requesting installments on cryptographic money stages wasn't really the most smoothed out. Yet with request, clients can send solicitations and agreements. Requests for charging are moved when the agreement is finished, which keeps the cycle formal and essentially maintains a strategic distance from misrepresentation. Since the stage empowers clients to save data on all exchanges, clients are better coordinated regarding installments and such. Eliminating outsider change and installment handling expenses results in a less expensive crypto experience, particularly for fledgling clients who are now betting their cash in an unpredictable market, since most worldwide monetary standards are covered under request. Yet others are being empowered. Request as a stage takes into consideration crypto exchanging around the world. Considering this broad market access, our request cost forecasts pursue a positive direction. Request speculation. The vision of request's pioneers, Christophe Laschite and Etienne Tatter, was to make a stage that smoothed out installments while keeping up with security and protection. In that objective, request has been downright model, since changing over computerized installments into conventional installments is facilitated without cosmic charges and commissions paid to outsiders. Request stays an attractive and beneficial undertaking. While the cost of request has stayed unstable given the idea of the market, upwards drifts in the future portray beneficial request cost forecasts. Since outsider association is controlled, the request stage covers security arrangements utilizing Ethereum and IPFS. Clients and excavators pay just exchange charges for the stage's superior transactability and local area-driven administration. Request is right now worth 8 cents USD. REQ has moved 0.65% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,850,432. Request is at present positioned 183 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $86,969,967 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for request to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Request value forecast 2023. Request, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The REQ cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 13 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 12 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. REQ is supposed to have a base worth of 10 cents. Request value forecast 2024. In 2024, request REQ cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of REQ will before long outperform 21 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the REQ's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, REQ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 17 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 19 cents. Request value forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 30 cents and REQ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. REQ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 28 cents and a low of 26 cents in 2025. Request value expectation 2026, assuming request effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees. The REQ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, REQ will be green in 2026. The REQ is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 39 cents, with a base cost of 35 cents and a typical cost of 36 cents. Request value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the REQ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 45 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 43 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, REQ has a greatest value worth of 48 cents. Request value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 54 cents. In the event that REQ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 57 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help REQ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 52 cents. Request value forecast 2029. While REQ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 61 cents and a yearly cost close above 65 cents in 2029. Request value expectation 2030. By 2030, request will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 70 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 74 cents, averaging out at 71 cents. Request value forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme REQ cost in 2031 is projected to be 85 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 82 cents. And request convention speculation potential is enormous, making the REQ token a sought-after coin. The stage decisively improves on installment instruments while guaranteeing security and offers change frameworks, making it the conceivable PayPal of the digital money world. Since installments on decentralized frameworks, like B2B installments, administration, IoT, and so on, are improved on through request, it has monstrous development potential. The reformed instruments it offers for installment tasks can't